Going up.
Oh,
Doors closing.
is that your voice? Oh, here we are at Marks and Spencer's in the Jervis Centre. The lift has been modernised now. This right one hasn't worked for years. Apparently it was from 2002. I don't know.
Second floor.
That's a new voice. The button's stuck. No, it isn't. Well, that's less efficient.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Don't know what to think of that AC here though.
First floor.
The motor seems original, but I don't know what to think of this. That is so less
Doors
efficient.
opening. Going down. Doors closing.
That is so much less efficient than the IL was. 2024. That took so long to start. The IL started instantly. And the IL has
Ground floor.
direct to floor leveling. But oh well, goodbye industrial logistics. I'll play a clip at the end of this, what it was like.
Doors opening. Going up.
This is the final ride of this lift on this channel. I'm probably not going to see these lifts again. It's a real shame, they're so nice. Oh well. Lasted really well. 28 years or something.